Has your husband ever bought you a stove and you said, I'm not going to let them go years and years and build up grime and grossness so that I have to stand over the sink and scrub a dub? Yeah, me too. And yes, it was a lot of scrub dubbing, but I want to show you how I did it. And it really was only a couple items. Soap, water, whatever this is.
Getting my floor wet. Would you stop doing it on purpose?
I really like because it's got a handle so I can hold on to it like this. But when my gripping hand gets tired, I can put it here like this and scrub a dub. And I also use this Lodge thing to dislodge. That was bad, right?
That was bad.
Dislodge.
It doesn't get any better. Just hang that one up, move on to the next joke.
The extra stuff. And I also use some aluminum foil.
You're still dripping on my floor.
Oh yeah, did I mention that the reason why this happened is that he was going to make himself a birthday cake?
I want my birthday cake.
My birthday's coming up, and by the time you see this, it would have already passed. Well, we've got new cake pans to test out.
After I threw the old ones out the back door. Literally.
Literally. It was a case of, I walked in, I saw what was happening. Instead of going, what are you doing? Like I always do, I just said, how can I help?
I was like, nope, walk away.
Front and the back. Ooh.
At least you didn't fall in this bathtub this time.
I think that's why I waited 2 years to try to clean these. Because I was traumatized from the last time I cleaned the oven racks. You want to see a couple seconds of the... Okay, here you go. Oh, this is so disgusting. I just want you to see how I make my little aluminum foil ball. I wiped this down with the scrub brush already, and I just take a piece of aluminum foil and crumble it up like that, and that's it. That is not perfect, but it is definitely better than it was. I don't like this one as much for this. This one I like. I like it because it's got a nice surface area, but I can also hold it a couple different ways and it won't come off. So now I'm going to try to get some more bits off of this. Do a little quick wipe. I've got a Lodge scraper, and sometimes taking that, ooh, that works really well, I can get little pieces off. This isn't my preferred method because it's really hard on my fingers, but it does actually work. Okay, let me take this and why do we do this to ourselves, huh? Of course, this is a really noisy process because all the, you push down, you lift up, just very noisy. I think this looks pretty good. It always takes way longer than I think it's gonna take. Oh boy, this is not an easy process. But then I look at one before and one after and I go, ah. Well, it's gonna take me longer than 9 minutes to clean the racks. Oh. I knew you were gonna laugh. Racks are as done as they're going to get. They still could use a lot of work. I got them clean in about 2 hours with a little bit of break in between. I hope that helped you out with your problem. And yes, it's me solving your problem today. I don't know if I solved your problem. It's not a quick fix. I've tried quick fixes. What?
Challenge accepted.
My husband thinks that he's going to come up with quick fix. Now that I've done all of the hard work, he's thinking that he's going to come up with a quick
just saying,
fix.
There's a power tool for every situation.
But I thought the right tool for the job was the one you got.
Sometimes you just got to make an excuse to get a new tool.
Watch this video over here if you want to see me clean the oven racks the last time in the bathroom where I fell. Or watch this video over here, which is something that YouTube thinks you should watch. See you next time. Bye.